Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well and you are keeping safe. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Be it 100 viewers, be it 50 viewers, be it 300 viewers, be it 1k viewers. I don't take any view for granted. Na kama umeclick this video to watch na huja subscribe, please consider subscribing. Welcome to another episode of Holiday Recipe. Kids are at home, teachers are at home, like it's a holiday and it's a very long holiday. Kids need to eat breakfast, lunch, afternoon snack and dinner. And I decided to bring you a series of holiday recipe, and we are at episode 2. At this particular day, I was making butternut soup with garlic, and then I was making rice with fried eggs with a stew of minji and some butternut. Make sure you wash your everything before you cook, be it onion, be it tomatoes, be it butternut. Wash everything thoroughly. Butternut soup is used as a starter, so I decided to start with it so that they can be taking it before I make the main dish. When it comes to spices, I don't limit people. I usually tell you, use your favorite spices that you want. It's not a must that utumie black pepper because I have used black pepper, that you use garam masala because I have used garam masala. Use any kind of spices that you want in your food. As we let our butternut boil, I'm going to prepare butternut for the stew. At this particular point, I'm chopping them into the smallest pieces that I can, and this is what I was capable of coming out with. I was also using minced meat in my stew, and this is the first time I'm using minced meat since I came to Mombasa. I've never bought minced meat, and it's my first time, but it failed. Like, I didn't like the minced meat. It was not nice as I expected it. Now here is the secret of the butternut soup. Make sure you blend it till smooth. And now let's make our fried eggs with rice, our rice with fried eggs, however you wanna put it. It's very simple. Just fry your eggs, eka kitunguu, nyanya, let your eggs cook like halfway done. After it's done, you add in your pre-cooked rice. You don't add rice that is not cooked, so you have to boil your rice first before you add it into your fried eggs. You get it? Make sure you are using the best and the right rice that will not break, because at this particular point you have to be very careful while kukoroga, while stirring your food, because rice is very fragile after it cooks, so it'll break, so you have to be very careful. And that's how simple it is. Don't cook boring food for your family. Make sure you try new recipes and they will enjoy. So thank you so much for watching this particular video. See you on to my next video. If you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe. I will always be reminding you to subscribe. Bye bye. Love y'all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.